Good morning! We're at Tortola, our very first stop. Phil and I are going to get Royal Court and then we are going to head on to the island. We made it. We are at Keto's, which is right on the water here in Tortola. You can see. Ah, it's so pretty. We got Wi-Fi here too, which is awesome. So I highly recommend stopping by for your lunch. Get some Wi-Fi. I called my parents, said hi. Now we're gonna enjoy some drinks. I got the Virgin Pina Colada.
Mango passion fruit.
That looks good, Phil. For appetizers, the calamari. And then we also got what? The fish bites?
Yeah.
It's coconut shrimp. Yum. I got the wahoo fish with a side salad, and these are plantain fritters. And Phil also got the plantain fritters, they're coming, but he got side salad and fish tacos. Phil and I just went to Keto's for lunch. I got wahoo, which is a fish I've never had before. It was really good. I would say it's pretty similar to a grouper, which is what I wanted, but they didn't have it. So they did have something very similar. And I got to try something new. So now, because we dine there, we can sit on their beach chairs. They have umbrellas, so we don't have to worry about paying additional for that, which is nice. And their area of the beach is, you know, not a ton of people in it. So we're gonna sit back and enjoy. Phil's relaxing. All right, we're just leaving the beach. We were at Cane Garden Bay. It's beautiful here. We got to enjoy the beach for a couple hours. Hopefully I got some sun. Phil too, so he's not so pasty. Now we're going back to the ship because it is pirate night. Roosters everywhere. Phil, I got a shell. What do you have to say about that?
Shell, yeah.
They have a cool water station, cool towels, and hand sanitizers right before you walk on the ship. You also can discard your towels. You're able to pick some up when you get off the ship. At our pirate bandanas! Are you ready for a pirate night? We got some room service, margarita pizza, some ice waters, fresh fruit, chicken wings. Alright. Alright. It's pirate night. We're probably the most underdressed people here. Phil put together something. I have this like striped dress. Now I'm doing my daily pin check at the shops down here before we go to dinner. We did some good pin trading and now we're going to pirate night dinner at Enchanted Garden. Yay! Have the crab cake over here. I got the grouper with this like mango salsa. So I got the caramel macadamia cheesecake and the coconut flan. So we just had pirate night dinner. Everything was really good. I thought, other than the sea bass, this is one of my favorites for the main rotation. And now, just after we watched the fireworks, we sat in the adult section and Phil smoked a cigar while we watched the fireworks. It was a really good vantage point from up next to Currents. It kind of like overlooked and they just shot the fireworks right off, so great spot to watch if you are an adult who doesn't mind smoking. And now they have a buffet because we didn't just eat, so Phil went back to the room, but I am gonna go brave the buffet. Seems like there's a ton of people out there, and maybe bring a couple things back to the room. Way too many people to film or get food. Wasn't really interested in anything. They had like turkey legs, nachos, lots of desserts. It would be great if we went to the earlier seating. We literally just ate. So, time for bed. And we got this, I don't know who he is, but he's wearing my sunglasses. And he's got golden coins, pirate booty. Alright, it was a great day in Tortola. All around, good time. We are gonna pick out a movie to watch, go to bed, because we have to get up bright and early for our excursion in St. Thomas tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like something in the video, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And last but certainly not least, peace, love, and kwaherini.